need some help?
Yeah.
No. You sure? Yeah.
Oh, Jax, pick it up. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. You don't lay it on the ground, baby.
No, no.
Oh, careful. Don't put it on your feet. This is dangerous.
Don't put it on the ground.
The only time of the year we let a 3-year-old hold fire.
What scared you? The motorcycle?
Probably. They're jerk-offs.